What's up, y'all? I got the boy Hustle with me today. We finna take the car off the trailer, man. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna take the car off the trailer, give it a wash, a clean. I already took all the stuff off the windows and everything, so I'm gonna give her a nice wash, clean, go through and vacuum her, get her together. She got dirty.
Come on, straight back. Straight back. Straight back. Straight back. All right, now turn the wheel this way a little bit. That's it. Right there, come on back.
Hot. It's hot in here. Woo. What we working with? It's still full intact, yeah. Still.
And then it peeled back. See, because whatever hit this way.
Right.
Yeah, we good. I think we good. I know we good. Cause it didn't even do no crushing of this stuff in here. Once we check this wheel, and the wheel kind of looks like it's straightened out.
Yeah. What I'm gonna do?
All this is pushed in, cause this pushed in.
Yeah. Once we take all that shit off, then we'll see what we dealing with. Like I'm looking in right here. It ain't like even right here ain't get.
No, it didn't touch none of that.
And it go all the way to the. I don't know that. Doing like this. That's
just some fiberglass that fell
down. Look like the same thing with here. This shit right here. This all fell like behind it broke. But yeah, I don't see no.
Nah, shit.
To the end, I'm looking at this rail.
Yeah, no, they're real good. Nothing wrong with the rail. Let me see. You got a light, flashlight?
Yeah, I get one.
Right here. See right here.
The thing I was pointing out, or what?
No, this looks like the motor mount. See that? Look, see the silver.
Oh yeah, the very straight bound.
No, see the silver thing I'm pointing to right there.
Yeah, that's the upper. That don't look like anything at all. What I'm gonna do now is just clean it up and then shit. We could jack it up and go from there. We'll get
That's why it's the bottom. Remember I told you the bottom is leaning in?
Yeah.
Because that lower A-frame and the motor look like the motor mount's busted, but I see.
I tried to jack it up. Our jack too big for this, so I'm getting ready to go to Harbor Freight. Go get a what is it, Pop?
A low profile.
Low profile jack, man. So we get up under this, man. This thing too low. Y'all stay tuned. I got one right here.
You got the big one?
Yeah, I only got the big ones. I got one.
You got big ones or the bigger ones?
No, yours. I got your big one.
I'll show you where you're gonna put it.
Yeah.
Turn the jack that way. There you go. All right, see if it'll let down right there.
What am I doing?
Going on YouTube.
Gang.
Yeah.
I'm telling the folks, gotta get another one of these, man. I messed it up.
Champ Auto.
Yes, sir.
Merch on the way.
Yes, sir. Go to the website. www.incognitothreads.com, man.
Sure.
Check out the gear. Okay, you probably squeeze it from the bottom.
There they go, baby.
There it is.
There it is. There it is.
Sit in
And
here.
that's where it sits. But that's how far bent up this is.
Alright.
But we're gonna set this over here now, because more important is I think we need to get this on. Champ get dirty.
Oh yeah, I don't know. Keep going along the way.
On down the line. You pull?
Take this one, bring this one.
Finally got that thing off.
That thing tore up, man. Trash.
You know what? I think this is the mercy brake.
Trash going up. Think it's mercy brakes?
Yeah, this ain't.
I'm saying, will we have to change that when we change the regular brakes?
No, when they get bad, mercy brakes get bad, but these ain't brakes.
that's what that one used too at the bottom. You can't get to it.
Which one?
The one you said you couldn't get. That shit was hot.
Well, I'm gonna give you both anyway.
See, yeah, I told you this one's bad. See?
See, you gonna have to get one of these though.
Alright, what's that?
I think one of these shields. I might convince it. See what I'm saying? That's why I say get in there, get this shit stripped down, and figure out where we at.
That's normal. Yeah, that's normal.
What's that?
Yeah, no,
No, that bracket didn't get bent because this again. See that hole right there? It goes right.
What's up, y'all? Quick update. It's been a couple days. A lot of the parts have came in. That's just a test fit. I'm getting ready to take that off. The back bumper, literally, we just put it back on and put one extra screw to hold it tight. So that was that. I took the airbag out not too long ago. I'm gonna need a new clock spring and airbag. A lot of the new parts came in. The inner fender wheel, all the tires, front bumper, headlight that I'm gonna send back. Tires all brand new. Inner fender wheel well liner, which is very important. That's basically the front end right there. Yeah, so finna get ready to put the shoes back on and strap it up. Get ready to go take her to the shop and get the motor mount brackets put on. Man, stay tuned. I might do a little video. Y'all hear me do a cold start and move her around, but stay tuned, man. It's going down. Got my boy Joy to come help bring the car up for me, man. My good people up here. So what they did, I had them put the motor mount brackets on.
If y'all remember Gran Turismo, we had that Gran Turismo game back in the day. Everybody wanted to get this car.
I'm telling you.
Had to go get your license and all of that. Had to have an A license to do the races in this car.
I'm telling you.
Take you down memory lane. For all y'all who don't know.
Gotta go get the battery jump. We got the jump.
We're gonna jump this bad boy, get this bad boy in the trailer, and be on our way. This baby's a beauty. While Chaz over there go and get the jumper box, we're gonna take a look at this car. As you see, this has the highly sought after 6-vent hood. We're gonna have to go and try to source this hood, man. It's gonna be a pain, but hopefully we're gonna be able to find it. Everything looks structurally in shape.
Yeah. I gotta, you know what don't be on, I gotta get it charged.
You need a new battery, you think?
No, I just got the battery good.
You just have it charged by driving. Beautiful cold start. As you see, we got Viper in the headrest. Yes sir, yes sir. What kind of jumper box you got over there, my brother?
We got the
The only best,
man.
only the best.
The best one, all the toys and Harlems use this.
Yes, sir.
You get you one on Amazon.
Beautiful cold start.
She farted.
As you see, these have the facelift tail lights. I believe this is a Gen 5 or Gen 6. Gen 5, yep. Beautiful car. Let's see if he knows what he's doing. He learned from the best. Beautiful car, beautiful car. Let's see this bad boy get on the trailer. We're gonna have to give it a little downtime real quick so we can get this car on the trailer. Y'all stay tuned. We got a lot of content coming up.
Boy, Jay, you gonna bring it on the trailer for me, man. Good looking, man. I appreciate that. Let's get it. Make sure it's lined up, y'all. Let me see. It'll take a little bit. Hey, this way, just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Got one of the hottest days in Georgia today, man. I think about 95, 96 degrees. A hot June day. Or we gonna get this work done?
We're gonna get some lunch.
We got this baby on here. All slated to go. Champ is getting it ready. Hooking the tires on. Preparing us for our route. What you get done over here, Champ?
Come get the motor mounts done. Got the motor mounts replaced and worked out.
Gotcha. This is a gem. True gem. You go on Copart on the right day, you will find what you're looking for. If you watch it, you do have a strong opportunity to get it.